Creating 3D digital twins is easy. Just link your CAD data, no matter how complex, in your native format and upload it to our twin platform vHUB. Your data will get automatically converted and optimized for real-time rendering. Once your 3D twin is ready, it is immediately accessible for you to create your project. From here on, it's up to you. Create stunning presentations. Create new virtual and augmented training experiences. Or how about assembly guides? (3D) spare parts catalogs. And much more. We support all your devices. Discover even more potential.